Hi everyone, this is Chris. Thank you for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this box. It's very simple. I will not give you any measurements because you're going to be able to make this box wider, taller, bigger, in any size you want. You can make a square, a much bigger one if you wish to, and it's really nice. You won't need a lot of materials. I have used recycled cardboard for this, packaging cardboard, something quite thick to be sturdy. I'm going to use also wood glue. I will tell you this further along in the video, also because it's going to help make it sturdier than just PVA glue. But if you only have PVA glue, you know what? That'll do the trick too. And I am going to use also different things I have in my stash for decorations. I wanted to do something summery, beachy looking with this jute ribbon, also with this little blue things. I only wanted to do 2 colors in the decorations. Of course, you can customize this in your own colors. Then a little glass with some sand in here. I'll show you that too, and false little plants here, and then you'll be able to put whatever you want. I have put a little separation there. This one is not fixed. I can move it around if I need to. And then I'm going to put some pencils in here. I can put also a little bit of Fimo. And talking about Fimo, I am preparing some good stuff here for future videos. These are not good yet. I'm trying to train with my oven. I have an oven that is not precise. But anyway, this is another story. So this will be for a future video. But look at that, how nice this is. And I'm just going to show you how it was made. Very easy, and it didn't take that long. Actually, I was really surprised and nicely surprised because it didn't take that long to put together. Oh, and you will also need a little bit of acrylic paint, of course. The materials that you will be needing is cardboard, of course. I'm not going to give you measurements for the size of the box because you can do it in whatever size you want. You can make it taller, you can make it wider, depending on what you really want to do with it. I would consider using some thick cardboard because it's going to be sturdier this way, not flimsy. I think I am going to double the bottom of it just to make sure it's really sturdy. Then I've cut other little pieces to put on top to make that wood effect. You don't have to. This is just optional to decorate more. And while I was cutting these pieces off, I got 2 of these pieces that I might also use on top to decorate a little bit more. Again, this is totally optional. And this is recycled cardboard from a package that I received. You will also need hot glue. You will need some painter's tape. This is also to secure and make things hold on together really well. I'm going to use also this kind of filler. It's called instant filler. You can find these in any kind, sometimes in craft stores or improvement stores. It's already made. You just need to use a spatula and put it on. It's something that is really not expensive that you can find anywhere. What else? I think it's going to be it. And yeah, some flowers or things to decorate, some ornaments to decorate, but that will be in the end. So I think it's it. And I said a spatula. It's easier to apply. If you don't have that, you can use also a knife. And that's it. With no further ado, let's get started. right, so here comes the fun part, is the decoration. So I didn't show you this, I'm sorry, I thought I had my camera on, but I put some burlap around the box here, and it's not very large. I've shortened it out. It's about 5 centimeters wide, normally like 2.5 inches. I cut the edges off to make it a little smaller because I still wanted to see this part. And let me show you from close. Maybe I should, yeah, I hope you'll be able to see this. I mean, all the details. You have a lot of dimension, and by doing this, you know, I was tapping with the paste. It really gave more dimension. I really love the look of it. And it's really sturdy, guys. This is a sturdy box. I haven't done the bottom yet, but I will do that. I will put another layer of cardboard just to make it sturdier, but it's just great. I've got my insert that I've done, just putting 2 pieces of cardboard together and a little bit of tape. And I'm not going to glue it down. I'm going to leave it loose here because I want to maybe change it depending on what I want to put inside. So as for the decor, I'm going to use some felt and hot glue. And I'm going to, this is a big blob, I'm going to put that around here. I want this to be a little bit off. All right, I love this acrylic flower, so I think I'm going to put the little blue flowers first. I wanted to stay in these bluish, summery colors, the ocean, and something natural that represents the burlap. This is why I went for these colors. I didn't want to put more colors in here, so just a little bit of blue there. And I don't know if I'm going to put this flower in. I've got these little shells. I'm going to put maybe, yes, here and there. I'm going to put that one in. Just stick with 2 colors. I'm going to put this star here. Let's see. Starfish. And I like this little pin because I might want to put some little notes there. So again, I'm going to put some hot glue. I'm having issues with this glue. I changed the brand. It's not great. I'm going to put this one here with the little blue flower. I like that. And I'm going to end up with this acrylic flower. I love this flower, the way it looks. It's translucent and it's just beautiful, and I'm going to put it there. And you know what? I'm going to call this good. And on the other side, of course, you can do the same decoration or change it. I have done something completely kind of different on the other side. I've just used these acrylic flowers and paper flowers. I've done this on the other side, also with a little paper clip, a big flower. This is also in felt. And I have 2 different decorations, and I like the fact that the butterflies come out. There you go. This is really nice. It was very easy to do and fun. And as I said in the beginning, it was so fast to do. I thought in the beginning that it was going to be harder, and I didn't do any measurements. I just eyeballed everything, but it was really, really easy to do. So try it out. It's really simple, and you're going to do really a lot of boxes this way, and you're doing good for nature. You're doing good for your wallet because it didn't cost you a lot. Just this paste, which you can find in any improvement stores for very few dollars, and it's going to look just beautiful. So please give me some thumbs up for this video if you find any interest. Don't forget to subscribe and share on social medias. Oh, and by the way, I am also bringing out a new channel which is called StylHarmony, because in the end of this month, I'm going to stop posting English videos on this channel. Everything will be posted on my new channel, which is called StylHarmony. So don't quit this channel yet, please, because I have a whole bunch of English videos that you can go and check them out if you want to. I will bring all these videos to this other channel, but it's going to take me some time because I have over 300 videos in English that I need to redo a little bit, re-edit, and then post them there. So my new videos will be posted there from July 1st. And yeah, please subscribe over there if you like what I'm doing, and support my channel and support my all my hard work for you guys also. Thank you so much, everyone. Give me some thumbs up and see you soon for other tutorials. Take care. See you soon. Bye.